Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first turn Bluetooth off or on again. Okay, so click to here and you can see turn off, wait 10 second and then again turn on. If it is showing Bluetooth is not showing here, so no worry. Then click to start, go to setting, Bluetooth, turn off and again turn on. Okay, and then close it. Click to start next step, restart the service of Bluetooth. In the search box type services, click on it. After that find out Bluetooth service, so press B for Bluetooth. So you can see Bluetooth. So left hand side select this service and left hand side restart, then this one. Okay, then this one, and then close it. Then update and reinstall the Bluetooth driver. So click to start, type device manager, open it, and then you can see Bluetooth extract. So this is Bluetooth, wireless Bluetooth. Right click, update, and update automatically. If you are getting issue, so you can right click and uninstall. Do not check this box, just click to okay. After that Bluetooth is removed, then click to action and then click to scanner hardware changes. Now again come this the Bluetooth. Okay, then once again right click to update and then update driver, and then close it. Then next click to start, go to setting, then click Bluetooth and device. And if it is showing here older device, so please remove it, any device. Okay, fully empty, more device, no device need to connect it. Okay, and then close it. Then last, repair the Windows Windows dial file. Click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator, type this command and then hit enter. Okay, so after that it will the percentage. When it is completed, then need to restart your system and then connect, and then try to connect device. Okay, like 100% is completed. Okay, then restart it. Thank you.